Hey, what up, y'all? I'm gonna be honest with you, right? This is probably gonna be my most favorite entity outside of the marketing and money management one that you guys can join upon my departure from social media and all these other ways that you connect with me. This portion is gonna be centered around parenting, co-parenting, and family structure. This is a very controversial topic, and some of these topics in here, and it's real coincidental and real funny that every time I touch on these topics in all my career, people seem to get in their bag. No, it's not okay that you beat the shit out of your children. That's nothing to brag about. No, it's not okay that you know everything about politics in the world, but you know a goddamn thing about your family structure. No, it is not okay that you pour and speak life into, the adults you're dealing with, and the weak ass good morning texts, but you don't speak no life into your children. I'm going to hold you very, very accountable in this group. Some of the things we're going to be focusing on, y'all, is how to build a solid and united family structure. I tell you guys all the time, who's a negotiator in the family? Who's passive? Who's aggressive? The CEO, the spokesperson. A number of positions that you got to identify should you want a functioning and progressive family. And I tell you guys all the time, man, all this starts with the children. What are you pouring into your seeds? Your seeds are your foundation. I know it may sound cliche, but your seeds are the future. So what's your future looking like if you're not pouring nothing into it whatsoever, but you got enough to pour into every goddamn thing in the world? Effective communication, man, especially when it comes to co-parents. I tell you guys all the time, I feel like communication, a healthy respect level, and remembering adult business has no room in kid politics. Keep that shit away from the children. That's between you and that man or you and that woman. We're gonna have a great deal of co-parenting strategies. Y'all know one of my most favorite theories that I came up with, or that somebody kind of shared with me, and then I morphed it into something else, is a better way to say it. But the kid glove theory. Some of y'all know how to be passive and fall back and handle everything except the people that should matter to you the most. Some of you haven't taken into account that parenting has a trickle-down effect. If the mother or the father is feeling disrespected, if they down and out, period, that's going to trickle down to your seeds. You care about your children, right? Well, to me, it's in your best interest to make sure that person is in a great headspace. All right, bro, that little part will cut out. I'm going to give it a second. So, guys, within this entity, we're going to have weekly family challenges, weekly parenting challenges, speaking on articulation, communication, trust, love, bonding, all that shit that a lot of us are missing and wonder why we have a dysfunctional family. Parenting assessments are going to be vital. Listen, if you did any of my courses, if you ever heard me share this information in the co-parenting and the parenting curriculum, y'all know I am very, very serious about the way in which we treat our children. Y'all know I'm very big on equality. Y'all know I'm very big on us breaking that superiority complex where we feel like we could treat them like shit just because we older. So if you feel like those things gonna bring some value to your life, if you feel like you need work on that, if you feel like the curriculums that I may have put out or the courses may not have been enough, well, in this entity, this part of being able to have direct contact with me and that's exclusivity, I guarantee you this gonna be enough, because I'm gonna be at your neck every day, every month, and every week, making sure that we are treating our children the way that we genuinely want to be treated. I know that may sound cliche, but some of y'all literally talk to y'all children in ways that you wouldn't accept no adult talking to you like that under any circumstances. Some of us are them give me a minute parents, but we forget the fact that we may fuck up and end up in the next 30 or 40 years, and you're gonna have a give you a minute child. You feel me? A lot of times we don't think about it in that manner, so the roles actually reverse, and you need something to eat or you need your diaper changed, and they tell you hold the hell on because they busy. Y'all join up ASAP, y'all. Like I said, I'm at your neck absolutely every single day. Parenting is something I'm super serious about, and I hope you are too if you're gonna join this group.